So, hello everyone. My name is Zhen Xiao, and we are Group Team D. Today, our topic is modern project risk analysis technique and their implication. For our teams, we have the three group members: Chusha, Benso, Kaining Wang, and me. So, for the introduction, project risk analysis is to identify, analyze, and evaluate the risk in the overall project management process and the proposal, optimization, and the solution to ensure the good operation of all aspects of the projects. Therefore, the project risk analysis is a key component of effective project management and plays a key role in ensuring that the complex work of the project is properly run and completed as planned. The main of this report is to conduct a comprehensive review of the literature on project risk analysis and to gain an in-depth understanding of the various tools and methods used in this literature for risk identification, assessment, and management in different projects. This report has intensively reviewed various methods and tools for project risk analysis in literature, including fuzzy synthetic evaluation, Monte Carlo simulation, Bayes network, event tree analysis, etc. And through the combination of quantitative and qualitative method and some computational innovation methods, it is helpful to enrich and improve the knowledge system in the field of project risk management. So first, the significance of the selected topic. This topic of project risk analysis is of vital importance in the field of project risk and problem management practice. This section will discuss the significance of project risk analysis in the context of effective project management. So for the first, enhancing project success. Project risk analysis is an important component of effective project management as it serves as a proactive strategy to identify, assess, and mitigate potential risks. For example, Liu team proposed a fuzzy synthetics evaluation method based on AHP or AMP to assess the risks of scientific drilling projects. With this approach, specific risks can be assessed and a wide range of potential risks can be captured, significantly increasing the chance of project success. This approach to risk analysis can be used to achieve project objective effectively. For the second, cost control and resource optimization. Effective risk analysis enables project managers to anticipate potential cost increase the allocate resource more efficiently. Monte Carlo simulation, for example, are making and risk analysis tools that offers flexibility in complex projects and provide probabilities, enable project managers to allocate resources more efficiently. This reduces the risk of possible budget overruns and resource shortfalls. So for the third one is stakeholder certification. Projects often operate in complex multi-stakeholder environments, which can lead to stakeholder dissatisfaction if project risks are not effectively addressed. However, active managing project risk builds stakeholders' confidence in the objective, which promotes trust and positive relationships. For examples, the Shisha Deal 2018 provides cross-industry analysis from the dimensions of NTCP through an integrated risk framework based on project characteristics, providing industry-specific and risk domain insights into project risk. Okay, for the next one is the strategy decision making. Project risk analysis provide project managers and the decision makers with potential outcomes and valuable insights related to the projects. This information gives them the ability to make informed decisions based on risk level and the flexibility to adjust strategy to ensure project goals are with organizational goals. For example, RBD 2014 proposed a new approach to address the shortcoming of traditional simulation-based approaches by utilizing Bayes networks, enabling them to make informed decisions more scientifically in order to ultimately achieve the of project goals with organizational goals. Last one is continuous improvements, and the project environment continues to evolve. New tools and the method become critical in effectively addressing emerging and potential risks. Through the use of different analytical methods and models to identify the shortcomings and the limitation of existing risk analysis. Method in order to continuously improve project risk management practice, thus providing a valuable contribution to effectively deal with the emerging risks. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Jim. I'm Kylie now. Let me introduce the research methodology employed in our study. Delving into the how of our exploration, our research saw the latest in risk management literature, spanning a decade from 2030 to 2023. We searched through academic papers, peer-reviewed articles, industry reports, and books. By leveraging systematic search techniques, databases such as ProQuest, ANU Library, and Google Scholar, we pieced together a comprehensive picture of the modern tools and methodologies employed in project risk analysis. Then let's talk about some of the groundbreaking works we came through. Will embarked on a pioneering effort to tackle the risks in scientific drilling operations, using a combination of the analytic hierarchical process and analytic network process in the FUSI framework. They manage the unpredictable facets of geological terrains. However, their reliance on subjective judgment draws some eyebrows. By 2060, Van Hoek and later in 2021, Nabui and Kodir advocate the utility of Monte-Carlo simulations in quantitative project risk analysis. While this method was looked for its depth, there were challenges including data quality and computational costs. On the traditional front, Kodokarami and Abdi injected innovation by Bayesian network inference with age-old probabilistic risk evaluations. This union allowed for a harmonious blend of various data types even in data-scarce environments. Fast forward to 2020, we observed Bai and Dagen pushing boundaries by incorporating fuzzy systems and human elements into quantitative risk analysis. This was a game changer, particularly for high-risk scenarios. Shishendale took a different path, emphasizing that not all subjects are cut from the same cloth. They championed for risk frameworks tailored to the specific nuances of each project. Lastly, and more recently in 2023, Nadri introduced the hybrid DAMP technique, emphasizing the crucial nature of understanding risk correlations, especially in specialized fields. In a sense, the last decade has been a melting pot of classic methodologies, computational simulations, and new age frameworks. Each approach, armed with its strengths and weighed down by its limitations, plays a vital role in managing the multifaceted risks associated with sprawling projects. As we look ahead, there's the palpable demand for methodologies to coalesce, driving to diminish subjectivity and boost the computational prowess. This, we believe, is the future of comprehensive and precise risk management. That's all for this part. Okay, the next part goes to Tusha.
From all this literature, we are going through some few theoretical and the practical implications. So, first one here, I want to introduce which one is the innovative risk assessment model. So, basically, what is it in that is that there is a project analysis taken by the introduction of an innovative risk assessment model demonstrated in the SINOPROB 09 research project conducted in the one of the renowned University of China named Jilin to drill in a sea and a continent using the linguistic analysis as well as the probability, severity, non-detectability, and the worsening factors. This approach provides a flexible and nuanced framework for evaluating compact and high state risk. As a result of this is we came to know evolve of incorporate an ability to navigate complex project environments, improving risk management practice across the wide range of industries. The study integrates Bayesian network for the purpose of modeling dependency between the cost items and the advancing project cost risk analysis. From this approach, we can improve the decision making and ask what if analysis as well as learn from the data. It represents a significant step towards most informed and accurate project cost assessments during making the budgets. So the second is the cost estimations, as I mentioned, the Bayesian network to ask the what if, and the like third theoretical we came in from the WASPAS method. What is that method? The efficiency in the identifying and prioritizing the important risk is demonstrated by its use in qualitative risk analysis for road building project in Iran. That was like a method outperforms independent methods in the ranking of option, demonstrating its potential as a useful tool for the risk assessment. And this study emphasizes the value of comprehensive pre-project analysis by focusing on element like accessibility of barrow pits, quality of the material used in cutting and the filling processes. And the next fourth theoretical implication is enhancement of the risk management in energy performance projects. This one is the robust approach to risk analysis showed by the hybrid DANP and VCOR model in the context building energy performance project. This study emphasizes how important it is to cross-current risk and interdependencies and priorities. It highlights the crucial importance that efficient maintenance operation procedure play, particularly in the managing risk associated within the maintenance and the operation department. Additionally, the desire of the public package projects highlighted their ability to know energy knowledge and efficiency in developing countries. For stakeholders and the decision makers, this study provides the insightful information that paves the path for the execution of the energy performance project. And the fifth one is the customized NTCP project focus risk framework for the project success. That is basically the tailored the risk management practices, which is NTCP is the novelty, technology, complexity, and place. The within the sector, the cross sector analysis highlighted the significance customized approach to risk management by illuminating various risk profiles. Project-based business can create balanced portfolios using the paradigm and assuring long-term success. Study also shows the possibility for the future research to go further into other case studies, providing through the grasp risk across the various industries. Now we are jumping on the practical implications. So first practical implication that I want to introduce here is improvement in the precision for the cost project cost risk analysis. So basically it is happening in the Bayesian network precision in a cost estimation, which is greatly improved. In large scale construction project, for instance, are demonstrated 20% of the cost overruns. And the resource allocation in this one is the accurate cost assessment in a crucial component of efficient resource allocation, ensuring the project receives appropriate funding without unnecessary expenditure. And the scenario analysis by using the what if scenario, businesses can oversee potential cost variations brought on by shifting market circumstances, unforeseen circumstances. So next one is the risk analysis in the deep scientific drilling project, which is happened in the Jilin University. So basically the ultra deep scientific adopt limited in this scenario. When the data is limited, the fuzzy synthetic assessment approach is essential, offering a useful tool for decision making in resource intensive project. And case study in unpredictable geological conditions, according to the one of the researcher named Tanaka, a case deep drilling the earth and the coast of Japan demonstrated the effectiveness of the suggested energies strategies in controlling risk related to intricate geological formation and harsh underwater environment. So Fuji Bison network project portfolio that help us into the manufacturing industries have shown how synthetic resource risk assessment resulted in the prompt resource reallocation, which eventually reduced the project cost by the millions of dollars. And the third one is the Fuji Bayesian network project portfolio risk assessment, which is systematic resources allocated the systematic resources risk, which can automatically leads to the significant project cost reductions. That also happened in the AB et al. In 2023 research paper. That is basically the organizations of allocate resource wisely across the portfolio of project, avoiding resource bottleneck and delays. And the fourth practical implication here we have to mention is that in building the energy performances project, so political and the legal risk in emerging markets are considered in risk analysis for building energy performance projects. The importance of the adequate risk analysis in reducing the political and the legal uncertainties that frequently accompany energy project is highlighted by the extensive study in developing markets like India and Brazil. As a mitigation strategy, public package projects not only lower financial risk but also help increase community engagement and assess acceptability according to the comparative examination of energy project in emerging nations. And the fifth one is the subcontractor expertise in risk quality analysis for road construction project. That the paper is by the Badalpur and Nurbaksh in 2021. The crucial importance of the subcontractor knowledge is shown in case study for the road construction project. That the better risk mitigation results were regularly shown in project were experienced subcontractor accessibility and timely completion. The study that examined a number of road construction projects discovered a direct correlation between construction site accessibility and timely project completion, and underscoring the importance of the relationship risk management. Project characteristic based project risk analysis is the risk profiles of the several sector specific risk profile which are found comprehensive review across the multiple industries. Technology project, for instance, sometimes confront higher complexity and the technology related hazard than building projects. Increased readiness, it has been demonstrated that implementing customized risk mitigation strategies based on project characteristic can considerably increase readiness and resilience in the face of unforeseen catastrophes. So in conclusion, these research papers offer practical methodology and insights to enhance risk management in various project contexts. They provide actionable risk approaches to accurate cost estimation, resource risk assessment, and effective risk reduction strategies. These findings are invaluable for organizations across the different industries from construction to energy performance project in mitigation uncertainties and ensuring project success. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a message on the discussion forum.